Hey there, how are you doing? I want to show you our Moonly holder verification Discord bot that you can use for free on your server, and I think it can bring you some benefits or value out there for free, definitely. So basically, this is something similar to Matrix over here, where you can set up the roles. But let's say you're not minted project or you're not minting at all. Maybe you're just a DAO, but you want to generate some roles and give those roles to the people based on what they hold out there. So you can somehow categorize them. So basically, you have this simple generate rules feature where you can say, uh, give me a top collection by price, ascending, or volume 24 hours or total volume. So let's say something like total volume, give me 20 collection, fetch collection, and basically like this, you will be able to create automatically rules over here on the whole, but also the roles. If you click over here, create several roles, it will automatically create roles on your Discord, and you can even give them some default color if you want all of those guys to have the same color, let's say. And just like that, if I will click a generate over here, it will go there and generate these rules and automatically apply rules and roles on your server. So basically, in 3 clicks, you can generate 20 or hundreds of roles automatically on your Discord server and give this basically give those roles to your community, just like that. So you will not need to go on the Discord, create one role name and all this stuff, boring work. You will just be able to come here and boom boom in 3 clicks do this. Additionally, we have a sales bot in case you need it. We have this new announcement catcher which we didn't release yet smoothly, but the functionality is there. Every announcement you write on your uh, server, it will be displayed on the Moonly website in case you want to share and get more exposure out there, more people. Why you would use this? Basically, you can see what holders you have in your Discord before you even mint, or even in case you don't want to mint. If you're just a DAO, you'll be able to see, okay, do you have okay bears holder, do you have, I don't know, Mad Lads holders or whatever out there. So that's very cool feature and interesting to know in your community who is who. It can be engaging, especially from the people from the same community. For example, over here you can see the example when the bot gave this role. So we have this ability to turn off notification when someone gets role. So Moonly bot can send, hey Riz, you got your Sharkfy and Whale role. So it means that he's having 10 plus Moonlies. And you can see people actually responding to those messages. And it's kind of create engagement of community, which is super cool. You can also create partnership. For example, you can contact other projects and create their role on your server, and then you can run some giveaway based on role. And basically, they can announce that on their server, and you can basically create more exposure for that. So basically, you can partner. I don't know. Let's say with Mad Lads, just for example, and you can create a giveaway on your server for all people who have, let's say, your role, your NFT or whatever NFT, or just Mad Lads NFT, and you can ask them, hey, do you want to announce this? And people will basically um, see this, that you have a party, that you're creating some giveaway just for that basic role, which can be initiative for to buy specific collection and so on. Again, you can run a whitelist the giveaways based on roles, so you can prioritize some, again, projects out there, and using different giveaway bots, you can basically uh, you can give more entries to those people out there with specific roles. You can also give access to close a channel to specific roles if you want, in case you want to do that. And yeah, so you're also, in case you're minting out, you're also preparing your your users for whole verification. So basically, since they will be already have account on Moonly. uh, they will not need to do anything. They will already have instantaneously their holder. So probably there's so many different cases out there, but I just want to keep it short over here, and hope you see the value this. Let me know if you have any question. This is for free. We're gonna give a holder verification version 2 Discord bought to a couple dozens of server for free, and then after that we're gonna start charging. So if you wanna get this into this kind of train right now, let me know. If you have any question or requests or features, also feel free to share. We might build this. Peace out, man.